Today, Toyota has made the electric car enthusiasts look up when it introduced the bZ7, a full-size BEV, battery electric vehicle, sedan, designed and developed in China by the strongest alliance they have. Guangzhou Automobile Group. Guangzhou Toyota Motor. Intelligent Electromobility R&D Center by Toyota. Simply put, Japan keeps the core, durability, reliability, safety standards. China brings what Toyota lacks: smart technology, innovation speed, and boldness. Oncoming automobile. What's hot about the Toyota bZ7? Length of more than 5 meters, that is, the size of the Lexus ES, almost the same as the LS. This is not a regular sedan, but the flagship car, the pinnacle of the bZ line in China. Pure electric, not hybrid. bZ, beyond zero, standard with zero emissions orientation. Smooth, sharp, aerodynamic design, truly born electric. Expected to integrate the latest smart technology, AI driving assistance, long-range sensors, deep connection with the mobile ecosystem in China, WeChat, domestic maps, smart parking. Brain. Why is Toyota doing this in China? China is the world's largest BEV market, with competitors such as BYD, NIO, XPeng surpassing many big brands. Toyota realizes, to play big here, you have to do it locally, with local people, for the local market. bZ7 is a product that combines Japanese DNA with the speed of Chinese technological innovation, and it could be the model that helps Toyota compete equally with Tesla Model S, BYD Han EV or Zeekr 001. Hammer and wrench. When will it be released? Toyota is very clear, it is being finalized for commercialization within 1 year, meaning we can see the commercial version of the bZ7 on the road from late 2025 to early 2026. The Toyota bZ7 is not just a new car, it is a strategic move by Toyota to regain the electric vehicle playing field in China. And if they do it right, this car could pave the way for more attractive global BEV models in the future. Speech balloon. What do you think? Does Toyota have enough strength to compete in the hottest electric market on the planet? And is the bZ7 the flagship BEV you've been waiting for? Don't forget to like, sub and comment so we can continue to update the video as soon as Toyota officially launches the commercial version of the bZ7.